Hi kids! Welcome back to Grambi channel. Today we're going to have so much fun. Are you ready to learn farm animals with me? Let's get started. Don't forget to stay till the end because I have a fun surprise waiting for you. Look at this magical barn door. Behind it, we'll meet all our farm animal friends one by one. Let's open it and start our adventure. All right, kids. Let's jump into the farm and meet some of our animal friends. What's that sound? It's a cow. Say hello to the cow. Say it with me. Cow. Yes, great job. Cows give us milk, which we use for yummy things like ice cream and cheese. Mmm, delicious. Did you know? Cows have best friends. They feel happy when they're together. Isn't that sweet? All right, let's wave goodbye to the cow and see who's next. Can you hear that sound? It's a chicken. Let's give a big hello to the chicken. Say it together with me. Chicken. Wow, you're amazing. Chickens are incredible. They lay eggs that we enjoy for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Who loves scrambled eggs? Did you know? Chickens can remember over 100 faces. They're like little detectives on the farm. I wonder who's coming next. Let's find out. What's that noise? It's the pig. Say hi to the pig, everyone. Let's say it together. Pig. Fantastic job. Pigs love rolling around in the mud to stay cool. Mud baths? Fancy. Did you know? Pigs are super smart. They can play video games. Maybe they'll join us on Grambi channel someday. Who's munching behind the fence? Let's check it out. Do you hear that sound? It's a sheep. Wave hello to the sheep. Say it with me now. Sheep. Great work, everyone. Sheep give us wool to make cozy sweaters and blankets. So warm and cozy. Did you know? Sheep have amazing memories. They can remember their friends for years. Something exciting is coming up. Are you ready? Let's look. What's that sound nearby? It's a horse. Let's greet the horse together. Say it out loud. Horse. You're doing so well. Horses are super fast runners and love helping farmers. Who wants to ride a horse with me? Did you know? Horses can sleep standing up. Imagine snoozing while standing. How cool is that? What's next? You're going to love it. Did you hear that? It's a duck. Let's say hello to the duck. Repeat after me. Duck. Amazing job. Ducks love to swim and splash around in the water. Splish, splash. Did you know? Ducks have waterproof feathers so they never get wet. They're like little superheroes. What's waddling over here? Let's see. What's that noise over there? It's a goat. Let's welcome the goat. Say it together now. Goat. You're doing great. Goats will eat almost anything. They're like little farm vacuum cleaners. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see super well in the dark. Who's hiding behind the barn? Let's find out. What's that gobbling sound? It's a turkey. Say hi to the turkey, everyone. Let's say it together. Turkey. Fantastic work. Turkeys make funny gobble sounds and love showing off their feathers. Did you know? Turkeys can blush when they're excited or scared, just like us. What's flying in next? Let's go! Do you hear that crowing sound? It's a rooster! Let's greet the rooster! Say it with me. Rooster. Wonderful job! Roosters wake everyone up on the farm with their loud crowing. Good morning, Rooster! Did you know? Roosters can crow over 50 times a day. That's a lot of alarms! One more animal to go. Can you guess what it is? What's that braying sound? It's a donkey. Wave hello to the donkey. Repeat after me. Donkey. You're amazing! Donkeys are super strong and love to carry heavy loads for farmers. Did you know? Donkeys have incredible hearing. They can hear sounds from miles away. Yay! You've met so many amazing farm animals today. But guess what? There are even more animals on the farm waiting for us to discover in future adventures. From cows to donkeys, chickens to ducks, every animal has something special to share, and we've only just begun exploring the wonderful world of farm life. So don't worry, kids. We'll come back to the farm again soon to meet even more animal friends and learn fun facts about them. But for now, let's play a game together. Are you ready for the surprise? Let's go! I'm going to make some animal sounds, and you have to guess which animal it is. Ready? Which animal is that? Yes, it's the cow. What about this one? It's the duck. And this? That's right. It's the pig. What about this sound? Yes, it's the sheep. And this one? You got it. It's the horse. Great job, kids. You're all animal experts now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. That way, you'll never miss a new adventure. You're helping us grow and share more fun and learning with everyone. Thank you for watching Grambi channel. We're so happy to have you here, and we can't wait to see you in our next adventure. Bye-bye.